it's Tommy Plays, and we're playing Cash Grab Simulator. And you can see I have put it before, because I have 110 cash, and you're supposed to have 100, and I had one upgrade, so you start out with 0. So come here, noob. Come here, bacon hair. I'll eat your hair off, or I'll sing Justin Bieber if you don't come. Okay, so yeah. Why bacon hair? Come on, everyone buy my new game Break Jail, which is a ripoff of Jailbreak. So I'm just gonna go to my. Actually, no, I can't upgrade my studio. I'm too poor. That's poor for life. So I'm gonna go to GameStop and GameStop. Actually, no, it's the Game Shop. Yeah, but they should call it something else, like GameStop or something. Now I want to look at here. Oh, so it's like. Oh, that's cool. It's like a global leaderboard. Can you stop doing the green laser beam thing? Okay, so how much does the next thing cost? Okay, it's 30. It's a ripoff of the Nintendo controller thing. Anyways, hi, Mr. Noob, you are mine, and hi, other Mr. Noob. Other Mr. Noob. So, yeah, so what should we talk about? And anyways, oh look, my sister has joined the game. Hi, Bella. You better link my channel in the description. Oh, and sorry for that voice, actually it's Bella because she's near me. Oh, and also I will link her channel in the description. Okay. So, are you actually gonna... Oh. So, turns out my sister is not gonna play anyways. Anyways, I need to get new backpack. Because I'm going back to school. Yay. My backpack is full already. Yep, I definitely need a better backpack. Oh, look, Bella's on again. Anyways, everyone buy my ripoff. You better subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and also subscribe to her channel. This is my first video, so I'm not that popular. You better. So in the future. I have to subscribe to your channel too. Yeah, you better. Yeah, Bella, you better sub to my channel. Now, everybody better sub to my channel. Yeah, her channel is in the description. So, okay, get back here, bacon hair. Get back here, bacon hair. Run away, bacon hair. Now, I know there's like God characters and admin characters, which is basically Builder Man. Now, the admin characters, they have like 1 million or something. How dare you run out of money. So, I'm gonna go and do this stuff. Now, is there like a global leaderboard? Bella, why do you keep leaving and joining the game again?